Nabanggit na rin po, Mr. President, pareho ni na Senator Lacson at Senator Pangilinan, yung usapin ng tayo ba, Senate or Senate Impeachment Court ba? So this is a point of inquiry actually, a brief point of inquiry, Mr. President, related to the motions at bar now. The question presented to the body is related to an ongoing impeachment case, which is within the jurisdiction of the impeachment court. Should we not first have the newly elected senators take their oaths as senator judges and convene as an impeachment court? I note, Mr. President, that the Supreme Court decision is not yet final. As colleagues have mentioned, a motion for reconsideration has been filed by the House of Representatives, and the court itself, the Supreme Court, has given 10 days for the Vice President to comment. So yung point of inquiry ko nga po, Mr. President, hindi po ba dapat pasumpain na muna ng presiding officer with us convened as an impeachment court yung mga bagong halal na senador para makapag-convene po tayo bilang impeachment court at i-treat yung mga motions at bar. Salamat po, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records. What is the pleasure of the Honorable...
Just a very quick intervention. Very quick, Mr. President.
Pangilinan, yes, you may proceed, sir.
Yes, Mr. President, and we place this on record after reading the ruling, the decision of the Supreme Court. Mr. President, the Supreme Court referred to the Senate Impeachment Court repeatedly. And therefore, it is the Senate Impeachment Court that was also impleaded. It is the Senate Impeachment Court that may, if it opts to, file a motion for reconsideration. And therefore, this motion to dismiss, we believe, should be forwarded to or tackled by the Senate as an impeachment court.
Your Honor, just on that point, the parties mentioned in the case is not the Senate Impeachment Court, but the Senate. And the dispository section of the decision makes mention also of the Senate. If I may quote, consequently, the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction to constitute itself as an impeachment court. That's the decision of the court in Duterte v. HOR.
Mr. President, and we will go back to the earlier manifestations
The
of...
mic, please.
We will go back to the earlier manifestations of the minority leader. Yes, the Supreme Court ruled that we have no jurisdiction. Yet, the decision is flawed in terms of the facts on procedure, the one-year bar, and on due process. This is at least, of course, our assertion. And therefore, should we not wait for a motion for reconsideration to be resolved before we proceed and vote on the matter that has removed from the impeachment court jurisdiction? Should we not at least assert the power and the prerogative under the Constitution of the Senate Impeachment Court in terms of the exclusive jurisdiction, number one, and the sole power to try and decide?
That is what we will be deciding and voting upon this afternoon, Your Honor.